If you want to get iPhone ringtone on a Realme 14T, then first we're gonna go to the Play Store as we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. Let's go to search and then we can write iPhone ringtone. There we go. You should be able to find a bunch of different apps that we can use. However, in my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. Let's install it. Feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for some reason. However, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the ringtone based on this app over here. So once it is installed, we're gonna open it. Now let's press consent over here. After that we have an ad, so we should be able to close it soon after. There we go. We can grant permission for the app. Let's press OK. Allow modifying system settings so that the app can actually change the ringtone for us. And over here we have iPhone ringtone, so you can tap on this play button in order to have a preview of how the ringtone sounds like. If you like the ringtone, then you can tap on 3 dots right next to the ringtone, and then you can press the ringtone over here at the bottom on the left side. Of course, we have an ad, and after that you should see the information that the ringtone has been set successfully, so we can press OK. Alright, let's give it a try. I'm gonna call myself in order to check if the ringtone has been set. And yes, it has been set. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.